Guys, so I don't have my cameraman today. I'm gonna try my best to, try to get y'all in best positions. But, we're out here. I just shot at a starling, but I missed, sadly. Got the 22 caliber air rifle. May hear a little dog barking in the background. Well, yeah, she's not really little. Hold up, guys, there's birds. Hold on, guys, there's a bird. There's a bird. Hold on. I'm gonna set y'all up. I missed. It was, this gun decided in for 20 yards. It was a 20-yard shot. I think I pulled my gun though. Oh, there's your robin. That's your robin. All right, we're back in business. Back in business. I think it's a robin. Or it's a starling. I don't know. Y'all may not get to see the birds I kill in this video because I don't know how to black. I don't have a camera yet. Oh. Okay. But I don't know how to blur the blood out yet. Oh, it's a starling. It's a starling, guys. It's a starling. It's a starling. It's a starling. Oh, dang it, guys. Just went away. Sorry. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Maybe I can get a shot off at a robin. Robins are overpopulated here in Boaz. So, well, at least that's what I think, because I can see them everywhere I go. So, I'm going to try to take out one. And if I see a squirrel, I'm pretty sure, yeah, they're in season, so I'm going to try to smoke a squirrel too. If I see it. Oh, I can hear Brad out here, guys. It's hard to do this by myself. There's a robin. Oh, robins are all over. I'm gonna go try to shoot a bird. Hold on, I gotta set y'all up. I lost sight of the bird. Wait. Oh, there's a... Got one. Got to see Robin. Hoping he's dead. Oh yeah. He's perfect. Perfect headshot. Yeah, perfect headshot. He's done. Got us a Robin. Oh. Yes. Got us a Robin. Oh. Alright, there's blood everywhere, so I'm not going to show y'all again. But it was a perfect headshot. Right there. Right there he is. Now I can hear some other birds. You know. Okay. Let's go take this one over here. I can see other birds. We're going to put him right there. Alright, let's go try to kill us another bird. Okay, well, I think I've only got one shot left, so I gotta make it count. Toting my BB gun. Don't worry guys, it is just a BB gun. Because I live in a neighborhood. Hard to do it by myself. Really hard to find birds. Got to set y'all up and everything to find birds. And I just gotta hope that they stay there long enough. Oh, I can hear some. I hear some. Alright, I hear some, guys. I hear some. I got a haircut, by the way. I turned and I looked and I saw some movement. That's how I shot that robin. Let me just get the glorious. Yeah. She's a beaut, Clark. My house is, yeah, I got permission, by the way, to hunt over here. Just in case y'all were wondering. Alright. Let's go try to kill us another bird. I shot one yesterday with a 22 caliber. It was like, it was one of them pretty birds. It was about that big. Like, that big. And there was blood everywhere. And I saw bits and pieces of the bird. I'm trying to find the leaf that has all the blood on it. Don't think I'm gonna be able to find it, guys, but that bird got exploded. Oh, I see another one. Let's go try to kill another bird. There's also sheep in the background. So, by the way, I'm filming on my phone. Birdie, hey. I don't know where this bird is. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Or me and Dalton's YouTube channel. Hold on. Okay, my gun's on safety now. Maybe we can find us a squirrel. Where I'm hunting right now, there's a melanistic squirrel. But guys, it literally ain't a joke. Of course, I just got my new gun. If you go and watch our Madden video, we'll tell you in that video. I got it Thursday night, Saturday and Friday. After school, it was $149. But it sure does hit hard. And so I was aiming low on that robin I shot. And because, you know, it started in for 20 yards. That was maybe a 10-yard shot. So it knocked that bird straight out of that tree. So it hit hard. Alright, so I think I'm going to close the video out. Not much bird action after I just shot. But, that'll be it. Please subscribe, like, share this video to your friends, and peace out.